Hello everyone, this is Brian Smith with my modded Jackson JS32 Dinky DKA. I'm not going to really be doing much of an introduction this time. I noticed that there's not a lot of videos for a JB in the neck position, or even a JB set, as what I have in here. It's a JB trembucker and a JB regular one in the neck, and it actually sounds pretty different, and I'm just going to be doing some chord progressions in the neck position, middle position, and bridge. And then in between that, I'm also going to be doing some lead stuff, both on clean, crunch, and distorted. Okay, let's get going. So this is the neck pickup. Middle. And finally the bridge. Now for crunch on the neck. Middle. And bridge. And now for the heavy gain.